How to fix keyboard not working in your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Windows keyboard not working. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. So if your keyboard is not working, first you will need to update your driver. Now tap on your Windows key, you can right click on it, and after you do that you'll find several options. You'll need to head over to Device Manager. Tap on Device Manager and let it open. After it opens, you will then need to search for your keyboard here. So locate your keyboards, expand on that, and there you can find your keyboard. Now whichever keyboard is your keyboard, you can double tap on it, head over to driver, then there you'll see update driver option. Tap on this and you can search for your drivers automatically, and if you find an update available, update your driver. And after that, if you don't find anything here, you will need to update your Windows. For that, head over to your settings. You can right click on your Windows key again. There you will find settings, tap on it. After you're on your settings, you can then head over to Windows Update. And if you see any updates available, you can check for updates here. And if you see an update already available, tap on download and install. After you install your update, your problem will get fixed if it's due to some kind of glitch. So final fix is just restarting your computer. So you can restart your device and check if that works. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.